Kim and welcome to Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. How are you doing today? Well, I'm so happy that you came. Now before we begin, let's get ready. Please make sure that you have your pencil and your paper. Now if you don't have them, don't worry. I'll tell you what you can do. Pause the video, run and get them, and then come right back and Mrs. Kim will wait for you. Now every day at Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks, I always check my mailbox, and that's because I'm hoping to hear from you. I would love to hear your stories and for you to ask me your questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now let's see who wrote to Mrs. Kim today. Ooh, I have some postcards and an envelope here. Oh wow, I have an envelope from Pauline. Hi Pauline, how are you? And I also have a postcard from Johnny. Hi Johnny, hello. And lastly, I have a letter from Nao. Hi Nao. Well, we've been reading from our book, 10 Black Dots. Do you remember this book? And we saw a lot of dots in here, and they were very creative. They used the dots to make different pictures. Now let's see what we can make with our dots today. Today, we're going to use 7 dots. That's a lot of dots. Let me get them all out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, wow, 6, and let's use some of these smaller ones too. Alrighty, so I have a lot of dots for us to be able to make a picture. So let's put them up. Can you see all these dots? Oh my. I have 1, 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 dots there. Do you have any ideas of what we can make with 7 dots? That's a lot of dots to use. What do you think we should make? You know what? I have an idea. Let's make a house out of these 7 dots. Alrighty, here we go. I think I'll use these 2 dots as a door, and then I'll use the other dots as windows for the house. Let's first make a frame for the house. You see that? And then let's make a nice roof. And then we can make a door. And then we'll make 1 window here. Make more windows on the top. Just like that. Maybe we'll put a little chimney here too. Wow, so with 7 dots, I made a house. That's pretty neat. Now let's clean our board and let's see what we can do with 8 dots. Now let's use 8 dots. That's a lot of them. I have a lot of dots here, so let's put them all up. Do you see all my dots? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 dots. What should we make with 8 dots? That's a lot of dots. I think it's going to require some big thinking. You know what I want to make? I'm going to make a Christmas tree with ornaments with the 8 dots. And each of the dots will be one of my ornaments. Should we do that? That sounds like a good idea. So, let's see. We'll start at the top. Oh, like that. And then, nice little holder for the tree. I'm going to rub right around the tree. Oh, look, it's starting to look like a Christmas tree. That's very nice. And look at all the pretty ornaments that we can make. Make them shine a little bit. Some of them could be lights. can also put some streamers. Oh, so with our 8 dots, we were able to make a Christmas tree. Now with lots of different dots, you can make different pictures too. Well, we've done things with 7 dots, 8 dots, and today, guess what? We're going to look at the number 9. Let's begin by writing the number 9 and then also the word for the number 9. Let's clean our board to do this. So let's write the number 9. Now what you need to do is start at the top and you'll first make a small circle. So you start right about here. Make a circle just like that, and then you'll make a straight line down. And that is the number 9. Now, make sure that you have your pencil and your paper ready so that you can write it with me this time. So, make a circle, just like that, and then a straight line down. And that is the number 9. Were you able to do that? Very good. Now let's clean the board and then we'll write the word for the number 9. So to write the word for the number 9, you'll begin with N, I, N, E, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Very good. Now, we've been using our special monkey to learn what each of the numbers are. So let's get our very special monkey. Hello, monkey. Hello. There's our monkey. He's been helping us so much. Can you all say hi to the monkey? Hi, monkey. Hello. Now, he's been a very good monkey because he's been helping us to learn our numbers. And the reason that he's so special is because he shows us how many things we need here for the number here. And when his arms are straight, just like this, then we know that the number of things here is the same as the number here. Now, we'll be using monkeys to show you how many monkeys we'll need for the number 9. So let's get all of our monkeys. Now, let's get all of our monkeys ready. So we have the number 9 here, and we're going to put it right over here. And he's going to lay down right here. Get ready. So we have the number 9 here. Now let's see how many monkeys we'll need for the number 9. So we have 1 monkey. Let's see, 2 monkeys. 3 monkeys. 4 monkeys. And then 5 monkeys. Look at them all together. Nothing's happening yet. We have 6 monkeys. Not even with 6 monkeys are his arms moving. Then we have 7 monkeys. We're at 8 monkeys. Let's see what happens. Oh, it moved a little, but his arms aren't straight yet. Let's see what happens with the 9th monkey. Come on, 9 monkeys. There we go. Oh, what happened? When we put in 9 monkeys here, his arms became straight. And now we know that when you have 9 monkeys here, that's the same as the number 9 here. Now we can place 9 unicorns here. We could place 9 ice cream cones here. And we could even place 9 pandas here because we have 9 things for the number 9. Very nice. Now I wanted to show you a nice poem for the number 9. And it's about a train called Engine 9. So listen carefully. Engine, engine number 9, going down your railroad line. If the train goes way too fast, do you want your money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Now, engine number 9, going down your railroad line. If the train goes way too slow, do you want your money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Engine number 9, going down your railroad line. Hear the choo-choo, see the smoke. Can we go? Okey doke. Yes, no, maybe so. That was a nice poem about the train, engine number 9. Now, we've been learning a lot of letters. Can you sing the alphabet song with me? Let's do it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very nice. Now today, we will learn the letter N. So let's put away our monkey. And then let's clean our board so that we could write the letter N. Now remember, we write every letter in 2 ways. The uppercase or the big N and the lowercase or the small n. So let's clean our board. Can you snap your finger with me? To write the letter N, the uppercase N or the big N, we start right at the top. So please make sure that you have your pencil and your paper ready. So let's start at the top. We'll make a straight line down, just like that. And then we go back to right where we began, and we're going to do a diagonal line this way. Just like that. And then we'll go right back to the top, and you go to the point that kind of matches with this point here, and we make it match, just like this. And that is the uppercase or the big N. Let's do that one more time, because it takes some practice to know where to start right here so that we can match it up with this point here. Let's do that one more time. So start at the top and go straight down. Go right back to the top and make a diagonal line. And then we can kind of see that we have to start right about here to make it match. And then we'll go straight down and match up, just like that. And that is the uppercase or the big N. How did you do? If you don't get it exactly right, that's okay. And that's why we practice. Mrs. Kim has to practice all the time to make sure that it's right. So let's clean our board, and then we'll write the lowercase or the small n. Now for the lowercase or the small n, we're not going to go back up to the top. We'll start right about the middle and make a small line, just like that. And then you start right about here and you go round just like that. And that is the lowercase or the small n. Let's try that one more time, okay? So go right about the middle, go straight down, and then make a little round, just like that. Should we do it one more time? Okay, let's do it. So start right in the middle, go straight down, and then make a nice round N. Just like that. N. And that's the lowercase or the small n. Very nice. Now, what is the sound that the letter N makes? The sound that the letter N makes is N, N, N. Now, this is not that easy to do. So what you're going to do is, actually, you're going to make a nice smile like this, and then you put your tongue right to the roof of your mouth behind your teeth, and you go N, N, N. Let's try that together again. N, N, N. Very good. I'm also going to teach you the short song for the letter N. Now for us to do that, we have to learn the sign language for the letter N. Now, yesterday we learned the sign language for the letter M. And to do that, we had to have our thumb go right between here, like this. Now for the letter N, instead of 3 fingers, we're actually going to have our thumb between these 2 fingers and these 2 fingers. So you'll go just like this, and that is the letter N. Do you see that? Do you see how these 2 fingers have to go right over the thumb? And that is the letter N. So let's try that. N with the letter sound, N, N. Very good. Now the short song for the letter N goes like this. And the word you'll be singing is nod, like this. Nod. That's a nod. Let's try that again. Nod. Okay? So it'll go like this. Follow Mrs. Kim. N for nod. Na, na, na. Okay, now sing along with Mrs. Kim, okay? N for nod. Na, na, na. One more time. Let's do that. Remember, bring over your 2 fingers. Let's do it. N for nod. Na, na, na. Very good. Now let's sing the entire song all the way from A to N, which is what we learned today. Now get your A's ready. I know you know your A's by now. A for apple, A, A, A. B for bounce, B, 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 B. C for cut, C, C, C. D for dig, D, D, D. E for elbow, E, E, E. F for fan, F, 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 F. G for gallop, G, G, G. H for hop, 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 hop. I for itch, it, it, it. J for jump, 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 jump. K for kick, k, k, k. L for love, la, la, la. M for much, mm, mm, mm. N for not, mm, 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 mm. Very good. Isn't that amazing how much of the alphabet we know now? All the way from A, all the way to N now. Now to learn more about the letter N today, I have a can of alphabet soup for the letter N. So let's get that right now. Here we go. Here is the can of alphabet soup for the letter N. Let's see what's inside. So let's take them all out. Oh, we can't forget those. And then let's put our can down. Alrighty, so what should we put in? Well, we definitely have to put in the uppercase or the big N. Very nice. Let's put that in. Now what follows after that is the lowercase n or the small n. He needs to go inside the soup too. Oh my, now we have many nice things. Do you know what this is? These are nuts. Nuts also begins with the letter N. Let's see what else belongs in here too. Look at this. This is so nice. This is a nest. A nest is a home for birds and for their eggs and for baby birds. So do you see the nest? And nest begins with the letter N. Now we have a few more things. Now this is a newspaper. And that's how we learn about all the things that are going on around us and in our world. So this is a newspaper, and that begins with the letter N. Now we have two more things. Now this is very special. This is a net, and with nets, you can catch things. So net also begins with the letter N. Now the last word that we have for the letter N is nurse. Now nurses are very important people, and they do a very important job because they help us to make sure that we are well and that we don't stay sick. So nurses are our friends, and nurse also begins with the letter N. Very nice. That was a great way to learn more words for the letter N. Now today, I want to talk to you about the word no. Now to write the word no, let's first clean our board. So to write the word no, first, it's N, and then O. That's the word no. N-O. No. Now that's a new word that we're going to learn how to spell, but I also wanted to talk to you about the word no. Now we can say yes, and we can also say no. Yes means I will do something, or I do want to do something. Now no means I will not do something, or that I may think something differently. But when we say no, we shouldn't say no with a bad attitude. Let's make sure to listen to the other person first and understand what they're saying before we say yes or no. Now think about what happens if you say no. And if you do say no, please say it politely. Don't say no or no. You shouldn't be like that, right? In fact, you can say, no, thank you. Can you say that with me? No, thank you. Very nice. That's super. Now, this is a good time to do some exercises. Can you do some exercises with me? Now, you can do these exercises while sitting down, just like Mrs. Kim, or you can stand up and do these exercises too. Now, the first exercise that we'll do are called bicep rolls. And what we'll do is we'll just lay out our arms just like this and make big fists. And we'll show off our muscles right here, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now the next thing that we're going to do are wide arm claps. Now we're just not going to clap just like this. What we're going to do is we're going to spread out our arms just like this, and we're going to meet up our hands and do a big clap. Ready? Just like that. And we'll do 10 of those. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now the last one that we're going to do are pull downs. So what we'll do is we'll have both of our arms just like this, and we'll pull down like this. Pull down just like that, okay? And we'll do 10 of those. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Good job. Very good job. Now, let's sing a song now. And we've been singing about 10 different types of animals every single day. We've been singing about pandas. We've been singing about parrots. We've been singing about ladybugs. Now today, we're going to sing about 10 starfish. So let's do that together. Now bring out your hands and bring out your fingers so that we can count them with each one of our fingers. Ready? Begin. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little starfish, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little starfish, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little starfish, 10 little sea starfish. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little starfish, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little starfish, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little starfish, 1 little sea starfish. Very nice. You know what? I had such a great time with you. And I wanted to tell you how proud I am of you and how much I can tell that you are so special, so sweet, and so smart. Now, before we end today, I want to read from our special book. Now, this book is called My ABC of God Loves Me. And today, we will go all the way to the letter N. Now, N is for near. And it says, God is always near. If we're happy or scared, He wants to be with us so our problems can be shared. Let's read that one more time. N is for near. God is always near. If we're happy or scared, He wants to be with us so our problems can be shared. Now, thank you so much for coming today, and I hope to see you tomorrow at Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll miss you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.